If your morning starts with a phone, with a coffee, or with your racing mind, your nervous system is already behind. But what if, before any of that, you gave your body just 15-minute reset? That was tested 1500 years ago by yogis and just recently 20 years ago confirmed by neuroscience. In this session, we'll move through 3 layers of breath work. First, we'll go through the diaphragmatic breathing, 6-3-9 breathing, 12 rounds. Then we'll move into Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, alternate nostril breathing with Kumbhaka, 12 rounds again, and then we transition into just 3 rounds of Om for ending. So we are preparing our body for the eventual Om sound, 432 Hz. That is the frequency that your vagus nerve needs to activate. Here's what's actually happening inside your body. See, when we do the diaphragmatic breathing, we bring the breath first into the belly, then fill up the rib cage all the way to the shoulder. That diaphragm movement massages your vagus nerve. And 80% of neurons send information from the down, gut, all the way up to the brain, not the other way around. So first we focus on the diaphragmatic breathing and take care of the diaphragm. Then we go into alternate nostril breathing that measures the balance between your sympathetic nervous system and your parasympathetic. And then we go into the Om sound. On the MRI machines, they've shown the part of the brain, the limbic system, gets deactivated just by listening to long Om sounds. And this is the same limbic region which drives your anxiety, overthinking. All I'm asking is just simple open mind and 15 minutes of your time. Find a comfortable seated position, keeping your spine straight, and we begin with diaphragmatic breathing, 12 rounds. And just follow my pace and just look at the orb, the guided sessions on the School of Breath app. So just follow my instructions. Breathe into your belly. Hold 3. Exhale 9. Let your belly sink back toward your spine. Again, inhale. Hold. Exhale, belly softens. Inhale 6, slowly through the nose. Hold 3. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Let your belly expand like a soft balloon. Hold 3. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold 3. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold 3. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold 3. Exhale 9. On the inhale, fill your belly first. Then let the breath rise into your ribcage. Hold 3. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Fill your belly first. And finally, Let it touch the top of your chest. Hold 3. Exhale 9. Inhale. Belly, ribs, chest. Hold for just one moment at the top. Now exhale. Let it release from the chest, the ribs, all the way down to the belly. Inhale 6. The breath goes in like a gentle wave. Hold 3. Exhale 9. And it leaves like a soft tide. Inhale 6. Belly, ribs, chest. Hold. Exhale. Chest, ribs, belly. Feel the space opening inside your lungs. Now we prepare for alternate nostril breathing. Bring your right hand up. Use your thumb to gently close your right nostril. Inhale deeply through your left nostril. Hold. With every exhale, imagine releasing stale air, old stuck energy. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale through the left. This is one full round. Inhale left. Continue breathing like this. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Notice how your breath feels smoother now. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Notice how the air flows with more ease. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. This is prana, moving freely again. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. This is your lungs saying thank you. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left.
hold, exhale right, inhale right, hold, exhale left, inhale left, hold, exhale right, inhale right, hold, exhale left, inhale left, hold, exhale right, inhale right, hold, exhale left, inhale left, hold, exhale right, inhale right, hold, exhale left, inhale left, hold, exhale right, inhale right, hold, exhale left, inhale left, hold, exhale right, inhale right, hold, exhale left. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Feel your chest. Feel your heart. Feel how alive you are. If you feel different, lighter, clearer, easier, that is prana moving again. Now let's end with primordial sound of Om, 3 rounds. Hold. Hold. Hold.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
What you just did is not just the breathing exercise. You manually downshifted your whole nervous system. You also balanced the energies within you, the 2000-old-year energy channels called Ida and Pingla. And you finished with the sound Om that your vagus nerve recognizes to shift into the parasympathetic rest and digest mode. This state you're in right now, just take a snapshot, a memory, feel it. This should be your default, your homeostasis, not the version of you that wakes up reactive, but this one. Try carrying this energy, this state for the at least next hour, and just notice how you respond to the next conversation, next human being, a next email, a next situation. And if this feels good, then make sure you go to the School of Breath app, go to Daily Ritual, go to the Custom tab and design your ritual just like this, and continue increasing the number of repetitions.
Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free chakra activation ebook and guided meditations. The link is in the description below. If this practice helped you feel calmer, more connected, the next step is our holistic membership. Inside, you'll get full access to all 9-week chakra balancing course, a guided experience through yoga, pranayama, healing mudras, and meditations to help you release emotional blocks, restore your energy, and bring your chakras into balance. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play Store. If you're ready to feel more grounded, confident, open-hearted, and spiritually aligned, join the membership and begin your chakra balance journey today.
I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga, breath work in their lives. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abhi Duggal. Namaste, peace, and love.